Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your email address on your CoinStats mobile application. To change the email address using the CoinStats mobile app is super easy. First of all, open up your CoinStats application on your mobile device and make sure that you are signed into your account. Once you are logged in, from the main homepage, tap on the More button at the bottom right-hand corner. Within the More menu, click on your username at the top. Now, tap on the email option from the Profile menu, and then go ahead and erase your current email address and type down a new email address you would like to bind with CoinStats. After typing down an email, click on Save at the bottom. Now you'll need to verify your new email from your email inbox. Make sure to also check the spam folder. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and you'll receive an email from CoinStats. Click on the Verify Email button in order to verify your new email. After you verify your email address, you will be able to change your email on your CoinStats account. All you need to do is to verify your new email by going to your email's inbox, and that should do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.